We've worked with affiliate programs across some of the most competitive and fraud-prone verticals in the world. iGaming, fintech, DTC, SaaS, and the one thing that shows up consistently isn't bad traffic, it's ghost affiliates. Partners who look active, generate clicks, collect commissions, and never once send you a real customer. And here's the problem. Most affiliate program managers don't even know they have them. They see click volume going up and assume the program is healthy. They see conversions coming in and assume everything is working, but the data is lying to them and their platform is letting it happen. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what a ghost affiliate is, the 4 warning signs they leave behind, why most affiliate platforms are structurally built to miss them, and what you need to do to build a program that fraud simply cannot survive. If you're running an affiliate program and paying out commissions, this video is for you. Let's start with the definition, because most people get this wrong. When people hear affiliate fraud, they immediately think bots, automated traffic, fake clicks, scripts running in the background. And yes, that's part of it, but ghost affiliates are a much broader category than that. A ghost affiliate is any partner in your program who generates the appearance of a performance without delivering real business value. That includes inactive accounts that haven't sent a single real user in months, but are still sitting in your program collecting attribution credit. It includes partners who are gaming your tracking model using techniques like cookie stuffing or click injection to manufacture conversions that look legitimate on paper. It includes affiliates who are recycling your own existing customers back through their tracking links and collecting commission on revenue you would have earned anyway. And in verticals like iGaming, it includes affiliates driving player accounts specifically designed to trigger bonuses, rack up activity, and then disappear before generating any real long-term value for the operator. The reason ghost affiliates are more dangerous than pure bot traffic is this. Bot traffic is relatively easy to detect. Ghost affiliates are sophisticated. They blend in with your real performers. They inflate your program metrics. They distort your data so badly that you start making decisions based on numbers that don't reflect reality. And by the time you notice, you've already paid out. There are 4 signals that should immediately put any affiliate on your radar. The first is high click volume with a near zero conversion rate. Every affiliate program has variance, and not every affiliate converts at the same rate. But when you see a partner consistently driving hundreds or thousands of clicks with almost nothing converting, that is not a traffic quality issue. That is a structural red flag. The second is suspiciously uniform traffic patterns. Real human traffic is messy. It comes from different devices, different times a day, and different referral paths. When you dig into an affiliate's traffic and everything looks the same browser, same device type, same time window, something is wrong. Real audiences don't behave like that. The third is affiliates who never communicate. This one sounds basic, but it's one of the most reliable indicators. Legitimate affiliates have questions. They ask about offers, commission structures, creative assets, and payment timing. If a partner is generating traffic, but has never once reached out to you, never engaged, never asked a single question, that silence should concern you. The fourth is conversion clustering around payout periods. Pay close attention to when conversions come in relative to your payout schedule. Ghost affiliates open manufacture activity right before a payout period closes, then go completely quiet after. It's a pattern that real affiliate performance almost never produces, and it's one of the clearest tells in the data. Here's the part that frustrates me most about this problem. It's largely preventable, but most affiliate platforms are not built to prevent it. Legacy tools treat fraud detection as a feature they'll add later. It gets bolted on after the core platform is already built, which means it's never actually integrated into the tracking logic where it needs to be. The result is that fraud gets flagged after conversions are already approved and payouts have already been processed. That's not fraud prevention. That's a post-mortem. The second structural problem is attribution models that are too easy to exploit. If your platform relies solely on last-click attribution with no additional verification layers, you are making it trivially easy for bad actors to inject themselves into a conversion path they had nothing to do with. The third problem is the absence of real-time monitoring. If your platform isn't continuously watching conversion behavior, traffic patterns, and payout anomalies as they happen, you are always going to be a step behind. And in verticals like iGaming, where player withdrawals can create negative net revenue at the program level, Platforms that can't model that correctly will systematically miscalculate what affiliates actually earn. That means disputes, that means money out the door that should never have left. The bottom line is this: if your platform doesn't treat fraud detection as a core infrastructure problem, not an add-on feature, your program has gaps that sophisticated affiliates already know how to find. So what do you actually do about it? The first thing is to stop auto-approving conversions. This is the single highest leverage change most programs can make immediately. Build a review period into your conversion workflow. Use conversion status stages: pending, on hold, approved, and don't move anything to approved until it's had time to be validated against real downstream behavior. Did the customer actually stay? Did they complete the action your program is designed to reward? That buffer alone will catch a significant percentage of ghost activity before it ever hits a payout. The second thing is to monitor your metrics at the affiliate level, not just in aggregate. Your program-wide conversion rate can look healthy while individual affiliates are operating completely outside normal ranges. Track EPC, RPC, and conversion rate per partner. Set internal thresholds. When an affiliate's numbers move significantly outside the baseline of your program, that triggers a manual review, not an automatic payout. The third thing is to invest in your tracking infrastructure. Accurate real-time granular tracking is the foundation of everything. If you can't see exactly what's happening at every point in the conversion path, you cannot make good decisions about what to approve and what to flag. This means integrating deeply with your payment provider, your CRM, and wherever downstream revenue data actually lives. The more complete your picture of what a real conversion looks like, the easier it becomes to identify the ones that don't match. The fourth thing, and this is especially important for operators in iGaming and high churn verticals, is to make sure your platform models true net revenue. If you're only looking at gross numbers, you are missing the full story. Player withdrawals, chargebacks, and refunds need to be factored into how commissions are calculated. Paying affiliates on inflated gross figures isn't just a fraud problem, it's a margin problem. And it compounds fast when your program starts to scale. Here's the reality: ghost affiliates don't announce themselves. They don't look like fraud on the surface. They look like performance. That's the whole point. The only way to stop them is to stop relying on surface level metrics and start building a program where the infrastructure makes it structurally difficult for fraud to survive. 4 conversion stages before approval. Affiliate level performance monitoring. Deep, real-time tracking integrated with your actual revenue data. Net revenue logic that reflects the real economics of your program. Do those 4 things and you will stop paying for traffic that was never going to convert. If you want a platform that's built to handle this kind of complexity from the ground up, Trackdesk offers a free trial, and the link is the first one in the description below. Whether you're running a straightforward SaaS affiliate program or a high-volume iGaming operation, it's worth seeing what accurate infrastructure actually looks like. And if this video helped you think differently about affiliate fraud, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. The next video on screen goes deeper into affiliate tracking and how to build a program that scales without breaking. I'll see you there.